We all crave that feeling of vibrancy, that inner spark that makes us feel alive. It's that zest for life that keeps us going, making each day feel like a new adventure. Whether it's the energy to tackle a busy workday, the enthusiasm to enjoy time with loved ones, or simply the joy of feeling good in our own skin, that inner spark is essential. What we eat plays a crucial role in how we look and feel. Our diet is the foundation of our well-being, influencing everything from our energy levels to our mood. When we choose wholesome, nutritious foods, we're not just fueling our bodies, we're nurturing our minds and spirits as well. Fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains and lean proteins are the building blocks of a vibrant, healthy life. A healthy diet doesn't have to be boring, it can be fun and delicious. Imagine a plate bursting with colour, a feast for the eyes as well as the taste buds. Creative presentations and a variety of flavours can make healthy eating an exciting adventure. From vibrant smoothie bowls to inventive salads, the possibilities are endless. That's where the power of a rejuvenating smoothie comes in. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack a lot of nutrition into a single delicious drink. They are versatile, easy to make, and can be tailored to suit your personal taste and nutritional needs. Whether you prefer a green smoothie loaded with leafy greens or a fruity blend bursting with berries, there's a smoothie for everyone. Imagine a simple drink packed with nutrients designed to boost your energy and give your skin a healthy glow. Smoothies can be a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all working together to support your overall health. Ingredients like berries, spinach, and nuts not only taste great, but also provide essential nutrients that can help you look and feel your best. This isn't just another smoothie recipe. It's a simple way to nourish your body from the inside out. By incorporating a variety of fresh, wholesome ingredients, you can create a drink that supports your health goals and fits seamlessly into your daily routine. It's about making small, positive changes that add up to a big impact over time. Are you ready to discover the secret to unlocking your inner radiance? It's all about making mindful choices that support your well-being. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods and incorporating them into your diet in enjoyable ways, you can enhance your natural glow and feel more energetic and vibrant every day. Let's dive into the world of delicious wellness, one sip at a time. Embrace the journey of nourishing your body and mind with every delicious smoothie you create. It's a simple, enjoyable way to invest in your health and well-being, transforming your daily routine into a celebration of vibrant living. Do you ever wake up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep? It's a frustrating feeling, isn't it? You go to bed early, hoping to wake up refreshed, but instead, you find yourself dragging through the morning, struggling to shake off that groggy feeling. Or perhaps you've noticed your skin looking a little lackluster lately. Those dark circles under your eyes, the uneven skin tone, and that overall dullness can be disheartening. You might wonder if it's just a part of aging or something more. These common concerns can often be linked to our diet. When we indulge in unhealthy eating habits, like consuming too much junk food or skipping meals, it takes a toll on our bodies. Fast food might be convenient, but it often lacks the essential nutrients our bodies need to function optimally. When we don't consume enough vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, our bodies and skin can show it. These nutrients are vital for maintaining healthy skin, energy levels, and overall well-being. A diet rich in fresh vegetables, fruits, and whole foods can provide the necessary fuel for our bodies to thrive. Low energy levels can leave us feeling sluggish and unmotivated. It's hard to stay focused and productive when you're constantly battling fatigue. This lack of energy can affect every aspect of our lives, from our work performance to our personal relationships. Dull skin can make us feel less confident in our appearance. When our skin doesn't look its best, it can impact our self-esteem and how we present ourselves to the world. We might find ourselves avoiding social situations or feeling self-conscious about our looks. The good news? Simple changes to our diet can make a world of difference. By making mindful choices about what we eat, we can nourish our bodies from the inside out. Incorporating more whole foods like leafy greens, berries, nuts and seeds can provide the essential nutrients we need. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods, we can support our body's natural processes and regain that inner and outer glow. Imagine starting your day with a vibrant green smoothie packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Not only will it boost your energy levels, but it will also give your skin that radiant, healthy glow you've been missing. Small changes can lead to big results, helping you feel more energized, confident, and ready to take on the day. Let's talk about the stars of our rejuvenating smoothie, the ingredients that make it so powerful. Each ingredient is carefully selected for its unique health and beauty benefits. We're using spinach, a leafy green powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals; banana, a natural energy booster rich in potassium; berries, antioxidant-rich gems that fight free radicals and promote healthy skin; Greek yogurt, a probiotic powerhouse that supports gut health and radiant skin; and coconut water, a naturally hydrating and electrolyte-rich beverage. Spinach is a nutritional superstar. It's bursting with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and folate. Vitamin A is essential for healthy vision and skin cell growth. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect our skin from damage. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout our bodies, giving us energy. Folate is essential for cell growth and repair. Incorporating spinach into your diet is a simple way to boost your nutrient intake and support overall well-being. Section 5. Banana Energy Potassium Packed Pick-Me-Up. Bananas are nature's energy bars. They are an excellent source of carbohydrates, which our bodies use for fuel. Bananas are also rich in potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance, muscle function, and nerve signals. When our potassium levels are low, we can experience fatigue, muscle cramps, and weakness. Adding a banana to your smoothie is a delicious way to replenish your potassium stores and power through your day. Section 6. Berry Beautiful Antioxidants for Vibrant Skin. Berries are not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. They are packed with antioxidants which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to aging and disease. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, helping to keep our cells healthy. Berries are particularly rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give berries their vibrant colors and offer numerous health benefits, including promoting healthy skin. Section 7. Greek yogurt, glow, probiotics for gut health and radiant skin. Greek yogurt is a fermented food that's packed with probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in our gut and play a crucial role in our overall health. They help support digestion, boost immunity, and even contribute to radiant skin. When our gut is healthy, it can better absorb nutrients from our food, which in turn benefits our skin. Greek yogurt is also a good source of protein and calcium. Section 8. Coconut water quench. Hydration for energy and detoxification. Coconut water is a naturally refreshing and hydrating beverage that's packed with electrolytes. It's not just a trendy drink, it's been consumed for centuries in tropical regions for its health benefits. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electric charge when dissolved in fluids, such as our blood. These include sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are essential for various bodily functions. They play a crucial role in regulating fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. For instance, potassium helps with muscle function, while sodium is vital for maintaining fluid balance. When we're dehydrated, our electrolyte levels can become imbalanced, leading to fatigue, muscle cramps, and other symptoms. This is why staying hydrated, especially during physical activities, is so important. Coconut water is a natural source of electrolytes, including potassium, sodium, and magnesium, making it an excellent choice for rehydration. It's also low in calories and contains natural sugars, which can provide a quick energy boost. Beyond hydration, coconut water is also known for its detoxifying properties. It helps flush out toxins from the body, promoting overall wellness. So, next time you need a refreshing drink, consider reaching for coconut water. Whether you're looking to stay hydrated, boost your energy, or detoxify your body, Coconut water is a versatile and delicious option. Embrace the natural goodness of this tropical elixir and feel the difference it can make in your daily routine. Section 9, the Rejuvenating Blend. A symphony of flavor and wellness. Now that you know the power of each ingredient, let's blend it all up. As you combine the vibrant green spinach, the creamy banana, the colorful berries, the tangy Greek yogurt, and the refreshing coconut water, you're creating a symphony of flavor and wellness. The result? A luscious, vibrant smoothie that's not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. Imagine sipping on this nutrient-packed elixir, feeling its energy revitalize your body and its goodness radiating through your skin. Section 10. Embrace the smoothie power, your journey to a healthier, more vibrant you. This rejuvenating smoothie is more than just a recipe. It's a symbol of a commitment to nourishing your body from the inside out. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. So go ahead, give this recipe a try. Share it with your loved ones. Let's embrace the power of food as a source of health, beauty, and vitality. Cheers to a happier, healthier you.